She's a certified hormone specialist who teaches women what to eat based on their cycle. From the glowing fridge, Shannon Leparski teaches us how to make crunchy spring rolls in a bowl. Check it out.
Hi guys, I am Shannon Leparski. I am a certified hormone specialist. Food can play a huge part in helping to balance your hormones in a natural way and help support your fluctuations throughout the month. So you have 4 phases: the menstrual, follicular, ovulatory, and luteal phases. In the menstrual phase, you want to focus on darker foods, so things like dark berries, kale, leafy greens, things that are going to help remineralize your blood. In the phase after your period, the follicular phase, when your estrogen is starting to rise, you want to focus on really light and energizing foods, lightly steamed vegetables and salads and fruits. And then in the ovulatory phase, this is when you have the most energy. This is when your body is ovulating, and you can focus on lots of raw fruits and vegetables because your body can really handle it. So lots of smoothies, green juices, these are great to have during your ovulatory phase. In your luteal phase, you want to focus more on grounding foods because this is when we can experience PMS. So foods can really help to make you feel grounded and less anxious. Sweet potatoes and roasted root vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Today, we are making a recipe from the follicular phase: crunchy spring roll in a bowl salad. So first up, we have some zoodles. I have some cooked quinoa here. That's a really great source of protein. Some edamame. It's a whole food source of soy protein for plant-based eaters. We also have lots of crunchy veggies here. You'll see we have shredded cabbage that is filled with fiber, cucumbers for hydration and more fiber, and some cilantro. Pepitas are a really great way to get your seeds in during the follicular phase. They're filled with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And we also have this cashew butter-based dressing made with cashew butter, maple syrup, tamari, and rice vinegar. And then this is what the finished product looks like. It's so crunchy, filled with fiber. It's really light and energizing, which is perfect during your follicular phase. And it's delicious. And I'm gonna go have some lunch. Bye.
All of that in a bowl. Man, that looks good. And guess what? I feel a lot healthier already.
The global pandemic has changed our lives.
We've been through so much.
As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May will give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband,
So you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better, because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.